Welcome to today's Quick Tech Talk. Ever wonder what a compiler and an interpreter are? And why both matter in programming? Let's break it down. Computers only understand a type of language called machine code, binary, which consists of long strings of zeros and ones. This binary code directly instructs the computer's hardware on what to do, but writing complex programs in binary would be nearly impossible for humans. Imagine programming by manually setting thousands of zeros and ones. To make programming easier, high-level languages were developed, like Python, Java, and C++. These languages use human-readable commands and structures, making it much simpler for us to write and understand code. However, these high-level languages still need to be converted into machine code that computers can execute. That's where compilers and interpreters come in. First up, the compiler. A compiler is like a translator who takes the entire code in a programming language, like C++ or Java, and converts it into machine code all at once. Think of it as baking a whole cake before you taste it. This machine code is saved as a separate file, like an executable, so it can run independently anytime without needing the original code. But if there's an error in the code, the compiler shows it only after translating everything. So it's an all-or-nothing approach. On the other hand, an interpreter handles code differently. Instead of processing everything at once, it goes through code line by line, translating and running each line immediately. It's like tasting each layer of a cake as you bake it. If it hits an error, the interpreter stops right away, making it easier to catch mistakes as you go. So here are the key differences. A compiler gives faster execution but requires a full code translation first, while an interpreter is slower but allows real-time code checking, which is handy during debugging. When should you use each? For high-performance apps where speed matters, like games, compilers are the way to go. But for flexible and real-time applications, such as web development, interpreters offer a smoother coding experience. And there you have it. Compilers and interpreters, each with its own strengths. If this video helped clarify things, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.